I'm Sofia.
I'm Ester.
I'm Sirya.
I'm Giulia.
And today we're gonna make
Chocolate chip cookies.
It's a simple but delicious recipe.
How many ingredients are there?
Just 5: butter, brown sugar, eggs, flour, and some chocolate chips.
How much sugar, butter, and flour do we need?
To make 12 cookies, use 50 grams of butter, 65 grams of brown sugar, and 90 grams of flour.
How many eggs?
Just one. And then there are 50 grams of chocolate chips.
How much time does it take?
There isn't much preparation, only 5 minutes of mixing and 12 minutes for cooking.
Now instructions.
Put the egg in the bowl. Add 65 grams of brown sugar.
Now mix the brown sugar and the egg.
Add 90 grams of flour.
Put 50 grams of butter.
Mix all the ingredients.
Now knead the dough. Add chocolate chips.
Heat the oven to 170 degrees.
Let's put them in the oven.